guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hi, this is Farhana and I will be very honored if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below and give a big thumbs up in this video. So today I'm going to share a new makeup look, and basically this is a Instagram body makeup look, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So without any further delay, let's get start the video. So I'm back with my natural face, and first I'm gonna start with my base makeup, and for that I have taken Baddies SPF 50 plus sunscreen and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Then I'm going to color correct my dark spots and spot marks with a orange color corrector. Now I'm gonna highlight all over my face, and for that I have taken a liquid highlighter. For blending the highlighter, I'm taking Anastasia foundation brush and I'm gonna blend the highlighter properly on my face. For foundation, I'm gonna use Fit Me in the shade 230 and W7 foundation in the shade Honey. I'm gonna mix these two foundation and apply it all over my face. Firstly, I'm going to finger dot all over my face, and after that I'm gonna blend it with the Anastasia foundation brush. After that, I have taken Baby Lips lip balm and I'm gonna apply it as a blush on. And again I'm gonna blend it with the Anastasia blending brush. Then I'm concealing my high points with the W7 concealer in the shade FC1. And now I'm going to blend it with a angled shading brush. After highlighting my high points, I'm gonna contour my face and I'm gonna use Elegant Pro Concealer, and after that I'm gonna blend it with Anastasia blending brush. This is for nose contouring basically. Lastly, I'm gonna set my full face, and for that I'm gonna use MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade NC30. Now I have taken Technique Matte Mega Bronze Palette. This is totally optional, you can skip this part cause we already done our contouring, but I'm gonna do this because I want a sharp contouring. So I'm gonna contour my full face again with this contour palette. Before starting the other part, I'm highlighting my face with Makeup Revelation SophX palette. Now I'm gonna pick the same shade and I'm gonna highlight the inner corner and brow bone as well. For set the whole makeup look, I used W7 setting spray, and this is basically the last step for the base makeup. For the eye makeup, first I'm applying a white pencil kajal, and after that I'm gonna pick W7 eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna define my crease line as well. After that I'm gonna pick a brown chocolate color. I'm gonna exactly define my brow bones. For the outer corner, I'm taking the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna use this brown shade on my outer corner. For the eyeliner, I'm taking the Lakme Insta eyeliner and I'm going to draw a sharp line. For the mascara, I'm gonna use Golden Rose mascara, which is very affordable. And then I'm adding some false lashes. Now time to use a lipstick. I'm gonna pick Matte Me Sleek Liquid Lipstick, and after that I'm gonna just smudge with Kylie Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. I will come with the new videos. Till then, stay safe, well and healthy as well. So bye now, all of you.